Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. This week we're working on Our God by Chris Tomlin. Yesterday we worked on verse 1 and today we'll be learning the chorus. But before we get started, remember housekeeping. I am left-handed, so if you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs at home. Look below this video in the description for links to print off the lyrics, among other helpful things, especially if you're a beginner. Please look below the video. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so our God is greater, our God is stronger. So for our, you're making a U, your second and your third fingers together, and you're going from your dominant shoulder around to your non-dominant shoulder. And there are a lot of hours in this song, okay? So I'll only explain it this one time because after that you should get it. Our. So our God, making a letter B, straight hand with your thumb across, and then down the middle of your face. Our God is greater, So for greater, you're making two L's and you're pulling them apart. Greater. And then our God is stronger. So our God is stronger. So for this, you're, showing your might, showing some muscle, stronger. And then God, you are higher than any other. So God, you, and then higher, you're making an H. So that's your same fingers as a U, only on the horizontal, and you move it higher, okay? Higher, higher than any other. So for any other, we're not going to do any other because that's kind of confusing. We're actually going to do anyone, okay? Or so everyone. So for everyone, every is like this. Everyone, you just do it once and then come up here to a one. Everyone, everyone, okay? That's what we're going to sign in that place. So God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, so making that U. Our God, healer. It's like you're pulling the sickness out of someone. So you're here kind of, just above your chest. Healer. Pull the sickness out. Healer. Our God is healer. Awesome. Hands out, fingers spread. Awesome. Okay? It's like two high fives. Okay, but I guess it's 10 if you're doing both hands. Okay? Awesome in power. So for power, some people are going to do this one again, and other people, it's kind of you're outlining the muscle here, or I've also seen it done like this. Okay, so I will probably do this because that's just my habit, but if you want to do this, feel free. Okay, remember, this is about your worship to God. So perfection is not nearly as important as what's in your heart. Okay, so power. And then it finishes with our God, our God. Okay, so let's try that from the top. We'll do it twice. Stick with me. I know you'll get there. Okay, our God is greater. Our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer. Awesome in power. Our God, our God. Okay, let's do it one more time. Our God is greater. Our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer. Awesome in power. Our God, our God. Okay? If you're still not there, there is no shame whatsoever in going back and doing it again. This is a short video, so it should be pretty quick. I'm super proud of you guys for sticking with it, and tomorrow we're gonna learn the bridge. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.